In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update Sony A7S3 firmware on a Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Mac, the steps to update the firmware on your A7S3 camera might differ slightly, so instead of just running an executable file, you will have to do some additional setup to make sure that everything is installed properly. You won't have to connect the camera to the PC until the end when you are ready to use the update software. If you want to check which version you are on, go over to the setup category, setup option, and then choose version. In here you will be able to see the current version of your camera. Now, the next thing to do preemptively is to go to the USB settings, still on the setup category, and on USB, change USB connection to mass storage. So if it is on auto or MTP, switch it to mass storage. Now, once this is done, you will find all of the necessary files on the official Sony website. So look for the A7S3 firmware on Google, available for Mac. Make sure that you choose this one, and the Sony camera driver. You can also find the Sony camera driver on this page after you scroll all the way down, and it is going to be available here. Now, download both of these. When you download the Sony camera drive, you will receive it like this in this package, and then the two update files for the actual firmware. When you try to install the Sony camera driver, you might be blocked because of security reasons within the Mac, so if needed, go to Privacy and Safety, and make sure that you allow the Sony software driver to install. So as you can see here, system software from developer Sony has been updated. Make sure that you allow this and it will be properly installed. You need this software in order to run the necessary files to upgrade or update the firmware. And if needed, you might have to go into the security settings on your Mac and lower the security in there. Now, after you are done installing the Sony camera driver first, you can now go ahead and run both of these files here related to the actual firmware on the camera. Now, connect the camera to your PC using a USB cable, and when you run the installer here, you will be able to get those files properly installed. Afterwards, if you visit the version section again, it will be updated. Of course, in this example, I have the FX3, but it is going to work for your A7S3 as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to update Sony A7S3 firmware Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.